Hi, I'm Harold Grice, and I'm here to showcase my entry for the Nucamp Full Stack Development Honor Graduate Program. The goal of this project was to create a mobile application for a developer that provides a visually appealing way to display their project portfolio that's also easy to navigate and showcases the developer's capabilities and skills. On startup, users will be greeted with a landing page that will allow them to navigate to one of three primary features of the app. For this particular developer, users will have access to their photography portfolio, design portfolio, and an About Us page. The user interface and experience for both the photography and design portfolio are very similar and allow you to review a number of projects in greater detail. The software used to build and maintain the project included the use of Visual Studio Code as the main integrated development environment, GitHub for version control, Photoshop and Figma for user interface design, and Expo Go for functional and regression testing. The front end of the application was developed using React Native as a mobile, cross-platform development framework, React Navigation for easy navigation between screens, React Native Elements for UI and images, and Expo Constants to maintain system information. The framework begins with the app.js file, which handles our main component and serves the view for the landing page. The main component houses all of the code necessary to control the navigation routing for the app. This allows users to navigate seamlessly between each screen. You'll notice the initial route is set to home, which points to the home screen file. So let's take a look there next. The home screen or landing page highlights the three main categories of the mobile portfolio app, which are photography, design, and about. The UI allows the user to click on one of the cards to navigate to the next screen. For this demo, we'll navigate to the design component next. The first screen in the design component is a directory of portfolio projects the developer has chosen to highlight. The code starts by taking in the navigation routing information, followed by the render directory item component, which builds a flat list of projects with their name, description, and an image avatar. There is an on-press prop that allows the user to select a specific project that will take them to a design info screen containing additional project details. The design info screen simply handles the navigation routing and renders the project details view, but the real work is done in the render design project file. This file exports a component that generates a scrollable view populating a card containing the main project image and description, followed by a set of images that display the project portfolio's design assets. All of the data used to populate each portfolio screen is housed in the Design Projects file. This file exports an array that lists all of the portfolio projects as individual objects, with each containing an ID, project name, primary image, an additional array of images under the name Creatives, project icon, project description and overview, and lastly, the objective for each portfolio project. The code base used to create the photography section of the app directly mimics what we've just reviewed, but with some additional changes to the project info screen layouts. The biggest challenge in this project to date was the development of the component used to render each individual portfolio project, and the ability to render multiple images related to a selected project on screen. After much experimentation and documentation review, I was able to identify an approach that involved adding an additional array of images to the objects in the original dataset and mapping through it to render all the images in the new array. Overall, the development of this React Native portfolio project was a very positive experience, and I would like to thank Nucamp and all of the professors that helped assist me along this journey. I hope to continue developing the project, adding additional functionality and incremental improvements to the user experience to ultimately publish the mobile app to showcase my personal portfolio.